Okay, so this is the procedure to upgrade your AEDC meter. So if I put the token without the upgrade, it will show an error. So let me do that first. So you see it rejects the first meter, the first token that I entered. So now I'll put in the KCT1 and KCT2 and then see what happens afterwards. Okay, so the first one is successful. I'm going to put in the KCT2 now. Okay, so now that I've put the KCT1 and KCT2, I want to recharge the meter now, see if it works. So let me input the token. Okay, so it's successful. So this is the procedure to upgrade your meter and recharge after July 1st.